Rolling out to the Dream Builders show, everybody. We got the whole crew with us, about 75 cars deep. We headed out there right now to the Evergreen State Fair to hit up a crazy big car show, burnout contest, limbo contest, all kind of dope stuff. So let's hit it. All right, so we just made it here to the Evergreen Speedway racetrack out here in Washington for the Dream Builders show. We're currently like pre-staging, I guess you would call it. They're lining everyone up to make sure everyone's registered and all that, and then they'll send everyone off to their parking spots. We have our own area roped off for us as part of Ragnarok's garage, so that's pretty cool. I'll show you guys that when we get over there, but man, there's a lot of cars here. So should be a fun show. Let's get it. So now we are currently in line. We're finally going over to our VIP parking section for Ragnarok's garage. I think they were talking about they're gonna put us like right in front of the stage for the exotics and stuff, so we'll see. But we're in line now. It's going down. All right guys, so we finally got in here to the show. We're parked right in front of the stage. They got an awesome spot like roped off for us, so we're about to head around, check out all the cars. We'll let you see where we're parked, and then we'll go check out the rest of the show. But I saw over here a deep fried Oreo sign. It made me kind of hungry. I've never had a deep fried Oreo. Sounds badass, so we're gonna go get that first and then check the show out. Let's hit it. Here we go. Best Oreo I ever had.
Well, it's good enough for a man who's 93. You know damn well it's good enough for me. Won't you give me some of it? Give me some of it. Well, I want some of it now for you. Give it all away.
So we just found one of the most badass cars I've seen so far. The old Mustang, right? But this one's a little different. He threw the 2JZ motor in here with a big ass turbo. We'll show you in a sec. But check the back out. Got the Hot Wheels track. It's all revved up. You push a button, it races. It's awesome.
We all love.
Oh yeah. He's winning. Those tires are done. Oh yeah. How's he driving home? Alright, so follow me down here for a sec. Right down here is one of the cleanest interiors I've ever seen. Look at this color on this shit, man. It's like watermelon interior to me. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. That does it for Dream Builders 2021. It was a dope show, our first time. That burnout contest was crazy. We had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this episode. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you on the next one, baby. Peace.